Let's dive in. From the scenic but deadly Junction Road to the hair-raising curves of Spur Tree Hill, Jamaica's roads pack a punch. Located in the parish of St. Mary, bordering St. Andrew
What?
Yes.
Junction Main Road. Sounds harmless, right? Think again. They are steep drops, blind corners, and narrow corridors that will even pose a challenge for the most skillful drivers. This route is feared by most drivers due to its steep drops. The wrong turn or maneuvers will see you taking a swim in the Wagwater River below. 18-wheelers has the dangerous tasks of keeping their wheels on the road around the narrow bends while hoping they do not encounter another similar-sized vehicle. Now, before I proceed, there are many roads that would make this list. However, we will stick with the most obvious routes.
Let's go.
Next on the list is the Bagwalk Gorge. Most notable, the famous flat bridge located in St. Catherine.